There was a flock of doves that flew in search of food to a faraway place. They were led by their king. One day they had flown a long distance and were very tired. The king dove encouraged them to fly a little further. The youngest dove saw some rice scattered on the ground beneath a big banyan tree. Young dove said, "I can see some rice beneath that tree. Let us go there." They were all very hungry, so they all landed and began to eat the rice. Suddenly, a net fell over them. They were all trapped. They saw a hunter approaching them with a huge club. Young dove said, "Oh my God, a hunter is coming to catch us." King dove said, "Yes, we have been trapped by the hunter." Dove 1 said, "What do we do now?" King dove said, "We should have thought of it earlier before landing here." Dove 2 said, "Yes, King, we should have known that rice could not possibly come on its own under a tree." The doves desperately fluttered their wings and tried to get out, but to no avail. King Dove, "All of you, calm down. I have an idea. There is a great strength in unity. You all follow my instructions." All doves said, "Yes, yes, King, we shall follow your command." King Dove, "Now listen to me carefully. Each one of you pick up a portion of the net. When I say go, we fly up together carrying the net with us." All doves said, "We all are ready, King." King Dove said, "On your mark, get set, go!" The doves flew up with the net. The hunter looked up in astonishment. Hunter, "Oh no, my prey is gone. I will have to go hungry today. My net has gone too." He started cursing himself. He tried to follow them, but birds were flying high over the hills and the valleys. They all flew away together, united in their strength.